We're still here in the wildlife, or in the waterfowl part, and we found this floating bridge, and as you can tell, it kind of died down probably because I'm talking. But we're surrounded by geese, and as you can see from where I'm standing, they tend to just chill on this bridge and do their business. In fact, as we were walking here, there was a goose that was walking towards us, and as we got closer, he jumped off the bridge and started calling us really, really loudly to the other one. Hey, that'll do it. And the other one started jumping off too. So it must have been some sort of warning system that, people are approaching.